We all need to belong. We need to belong to our families and our communities, but we also need to belong at work. And I've observed that we're at an interesting crossroads in our workplaces when it comes to that sense of belonging to our teams and to our workplaces. I know that part of what makes a healthy workplace culture is a sense that I belong, that we all belong, and that we're an important part of our teams. So we've been asking ourselves some questions about how do we go about creating a sense of belonging for everybody, no matter where they are, whether they're fully in person, whether they are working partly in person and partly remotely or fully remotely. How do we give everybody a chance to feel like they belong? There's a couple of questions that we ask in particular. One, how can I as a leader make sure that each person has a chance to connect with others, whether that's in the office or whether that's using a video platform of some sort or informal gatherings outside of the workspace, that everybody has opportunity and everybody's invited to be a part of things. And two, I'm asking, how can I create structures that give everybody equal opportunity and voice? And for us, that means, for instance, when we have a meeting that involves in-person people at our office and people who are outside of our office, that we continue to use video conferencing technology, and that I, as a leader, also use that technology, even though I could perhaps be in person with others, so that I know the experience of people who are not in person, and also not to privilege one group over another. So what kinds of questions are you asking yourself? How are you creating belonging in this hybrid world we're now working in? Remember to like and comment below and subscribe for more informative content.